Setting up your prom ticketing website with Prom Us is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Follow along with us as we walk you through the steps. First, you'll need to fill out a form to let us know your tax-exempt status. Once you've made it to the Experiences page, select New Experience in the top right. That will take you to the page to begin building your prom ticketing website. In this Create Your Fundraising Experience pop-up, you'll want to select one of our instant fundraiser templates. For this example, we'll be using the first one, titled Prom Tickets. And now it's time to start building your prom ticketing website. Keep in mind, a lot of the options will be pre-selected since we chose a prom tickets template. Make sure event ticketing is selected and general donations is toggled on. Create a title for your prom. For this example, we're going to leave it as is since we selected one of our pre-done templates. Scroll down and add your event date and location. Next, you'll want to make sure the selected time zone is correct. You'll also have the option to choose when parents and students can start purchasing your event tickets. And on this screen, you'll also be able to choose when to stop accepting general prom donations. Scroll down to choose a pricing option for your prom cost. You can choose from free pricing or percent pricing. The difference between those will be detailed out as you are creating your prom ticketing page. Scroll down and select Next. This portion of setup will be all about ticketing. First, you're going to select if you're planning to sell individual tickets. In the drop-down menu, you'll have the option to choose tickets, registration, seats, or other. For this example, we're leaving tickets selected. You can also choose if you plan to limit the number of tickets available. We're going to leave that option off. Next up, you'll see an option to choose how to collect attendee information. You can collect the same information for all attendees or collect different information depending on the type of ticket purchased. We'll be collecting the same information for everyone. You have the freedom to select what information will be collected at time of ticket purchase. We'll be doing first name, last name, email address, and phone number. You also have the choice of whether or not these fields will be required. We're going to require first name, last name, and email. If needed, you can categorize your tickets. For our example, we're not going to categorize. Now it's time to add our tickets. Since we selected a template, our student and guest tickets are already added. Let's pop into our student ticket to give you an example of how these would be edited. You can add images, change your title, price, and include a description at the bottom. Next up is one of our favorite things about Prom Us that makes prom night seamless. You can enable QR code check-in with the toggle at the top. You'll be able to create a personalized QR code that students can present for check-in on prom night. We highly recommend utilizing this feature to make prom night check-in a breeze. Now it's time to choose the layout for your prom tickets. We've selected Detailed View. You're also able to choose between large and compact for your card size. Consider if you plan on collecting sales tax for your ticket purchases. You'll also need to provide some information on when your ticket sales will end. And if you'd like to display ticket quantities on your page, that one is optional. Select Next. Now it's time for page design. A lot of these options will be pre-selected since we chose a template at the beginning. First, you're going to choose how your page is going to look. And then you'll be able to add personalized images. Since we chose a template, we already have images here. You can choose from this list what should display on your prom ticketing page. You'll also want to decide what your call to action button will say. We have buy a ticket here since our goal is to sell prom tickets. If you'd like, you can go ahead and add a headline for your prom description. We made ours Prom 2025. If you add a headline, we recommend adding a description as well. We made ours Prom 2025 tickets are here. Next, you'll be able to personalize the link to your prom page. We're going to make ours Central High School 2025. When finished adding your personalization, go ahead and validate your link. You'll definitely want to make sure to create a prom QR code so that you can send students and parents directly to your link to purchase your prom tickets. We went ahead and enabled prom promotion with text to give. You can create your own specific keyword that parents and students can text to be able to purchase prom tickets immediately. You can customize your activity buttons for your prom page, but since we're creating our prom ticketing page from one of our pre-set up templates, we're going to leave our buttons alone. We also give you the option to customize the navigation tabs on your page. You can do that here. And last but not least, it's time to set up checkout. You can choose what payment methods you'd like to accept. Select if you'd like to enable donor pre-registration. We're going to leave that one turned off. Choose how you're going to be delivering your items. Since these are prom tickets, delivery is not necessary. We also let you customize the thank you email for when prom tickets have been purchased. Add whatever you'd like in the box here and send that off to parents and students when they purchase your Prom 2025 tickets. Since donations are also accepted, we have preset donation amounts that you can change or leave as is. There are a couple more options at the bottom, but once you've read through those and made your selections, you can select Next at the bottom to finish your prom ticketing setup. And just like that, you're finished. Prom planning made simple and stress-free with Promus. Ready to get started? Let us help you make Prom 2025 unforgettable.